Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 14, The Yoga of the Three Qualities of Nature. The morning light spread softly across the battlefield. Arjuna stood quietly, more inward now than ever before. He had begun to understand the difference between the field and the knower. But still, something remained to be seen. He turned to Krishna once more. "You've shown me the nature of the body and the awareness within it. But what shapes the way we experience life? What gives rise to clarity or confusion, peace or restlessness?" Krishna looked at him with steady calm. "I will explain," he said gently. A quiet stillness settled. All of nature, everything within the field, is shaped by three qualities. Arjuna listened closely. They are always present, interacting, shifting, influencing the mind, the body, the experience itself. A soft breeze moved across the field. Krishna continued. "The first is sattva, clarity." His voice was calm. "It brings lightness, understanding, peace. It supports balance and a sense of harmony." Arjuna felt the familiarity of this. "The second is rajas, activity," Krishna went on. "It brings movement, desire, striving. It drives action, but also restlessness." Arjuna nodded slightly. "And the third is tamas, inertia, a pause. It brings heaviness, confusion, resistance. It clouds clarity and pulls awareness downward." The words settled gently. Krishna continued. "These three are always present. They rise and fall in different combinations, shaping how you think, how you feel, how you act." Arjuna listened deeply. When clarity is strong, the mind feels peaceful. When activity is strong, the mind becomes restless. When inertia is strong, the mind feels dull, uncertain. The battlefield seemed quiet, still. Krishna went on. "These qualities bind awareness to the field. Even clarity, though helpful, can still create attachment." Arjuna reflected on this. Krishna's voice remained steady. "So the goal is not to cling to any one state, but to see them clearly." A gentle stillness filled the space. "To observe when they arise and when they pass." Arjuna felt something begin to settle. Krishna continued. "The one who sees these qualities clearly, who is not pulled by them, begins to move beyond them." A pause. They remain steady. Whether clarity arises, or restlessness, or heaviness. Arjuna listened, fully present. They do not identify with these movements. They simply observe. A quiet calm deepened. Krishna went on. "This is freedom. To no longer be bound by the shifting states of the mind." The words landed softly. Arjuna stood still. Krishna continued. One who has gone beyond these qualities is no longer disturbed by change. They rest in something deeper, something steady. A long silence followed. Krishna spoke one final time. To move beyond these qualities, stay rooted in awareness. Remain connected to what does not change. A soft breeze passed through. Let the movements of the mind come and go without holding on. Arjuna stood quietly. The battlefield remained, but his relationship to it had changed. Not pulled, not resisting, but observing. Clear, steady, present. Not something new, but something remembered. This is the yoga of the three qualities of nature.